Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been quite a while I have not posted content. Today I will introduce and teach you kung paano magla-livestream for your, for your podcast or for your webinar to your social media accounts like Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, and others. And using a cloud-based website, called Streamyard. If you don't still know Streamyard, you don't need to download any app or software. It's just a cloud-based. It's just a website, and in my opinion, Streamyard is the most user-friendly, the best to be, and intuitive. Before I have teach you on how to using Zoom for your meetings, and today I will teach you using this StreamYard. And the first requirement is just you just need an email account. All of us, we have email account. So kailangan mo lang ng email using this StreamYard. Then, if you are the host of your webinar or your podcast, you need to use PC, personal computer, for setting up all the banners, titles, and caption. You need that. It's a must to use PC. Otherwise, if you are just a guest, your tablet or your mobile will do for your host to send the link for you to enter the studio. So, without further ado, just sit back and relax and watch this tutorial. So, to start, you go to the website of Streamyard, streamyard.com. And if you are new to the site, you just input your email address, type here to get started. And they will send you 6-digit code. Since I already have an account, I will log into my account using my email, and then I will get the 6-digit code. So I will check my email. They will send that 6-digit code here sa email ko. Using my cell phone as my cam. So nandun yung, so yun. Minsan mabilis i-send yung code, minsan mabagal. So ito, it's reading now. So I will input the one that they sent and log in. So yan yung screen ng Streamyard. It's very minimal. So yung lang kailangan. So hindi sila masyadong showy. So, in order for you to create broadcast, you need to have your destination here. So, since ito na-create ko na last time, yung aking mga destination, you must add the destination, your destination, kung anong kung saan ka magla-live stream, yung Facebook page mo or yung Facebook group, profile, LinkedIn, YouTube, as written here. Kung group, kailangan ikaw admin para tanggapin ng Facebook yung StreamYard. So, just click there. Just click anyone there. Then you connect and it will lead you yung mga prompt kung anong gagawin mo. So, to broadcast, you must create a broadcast by yung mga na-create mo na destination. Let's say this one. And you take a sample. Let's say I will want to sample this para pakita sa inyo. Or you schedule that for later kung hindi today. Let's say 7 days. 7 days ang allowed ng StreamYard to calendar the date for your schedule. So lagay mo lang dyan what time, what day. Then you click this, create a broadcast. Yun. So nandun na ako sa I will enter. Yun. So my mic is working. Setup muna yan na sa setup para ma-try yung mic mo and audio and all your setups. So, input mo dito yung pangalan mo, display name, lagay mo, type mo. And you try your mic, unmute, mute, then cam, kung avatar lang ang mag-ano, then your settings. So, ganun. Setup mo lang yan, enter the broadcast studio, there you are now in the broadcast studio. So, ito yung mini screen mo, you have to add yourself in the screen. So, you can start now your cam, yun. Toggle lang yan, mute, stop cam, cam mic. Then this one are your design screen. Kung ilan ba yung mga guests mo mag-a-appear na ganyan. So, 2D vision or apat. So, toggle lang yan. Ganyan-ganyan lang yan, toggle. Kung anong design ang gusto mo na lalabas sa live stream. Yung share screen naman, you can share your share screen yung mga ginawa mo, like if you have a presentation sa PowerPoint or link, Word or Excel, yan. At saka yung tab ng Microsoft Edge, kung marami kang tab, you can share the tab, no? Like yung website or Facebook page na pwede mo i-share sa screen. So, very very good kasi kung magpe-presentation ka, webinar, podcast, you need to have that, no? So, just click that one and you can share your screen. And invite, kapag invite is this link is for your guests na kasama mo sa studio na magla-live stream. Just copy this, copyhin mo lang yan, and then i-send sa email nila or messenger. And then click nila yon, they will go inside the studio and you will allow to click them to be with you in the studio. Now dito yung main kung paano ka gagawa ng mga banners. At dito parang ito yung command center mo. Itong comment, lahat ng mga nagko-comment, makikita mo dito, you can show to the viewers yung mga nagko-comment, shout out or asking question. So hide show lang yan, hide show. And you can also comment dito sa ilalim. You can answer the comment or yan. Hi, I also, ganyan. So, show, hide. Yung banners naman, you do your banners before your podcast proper. Yan. So, gumawa na ako yan. To create a banner, nandito, create a banner. So, type mo yung up to 200 characters. So, nagawa ko na yun dati and you can show that one by one as you progress with your podcast. So, you showed, this one is ticker. You can do ticker, malagay dun sa settings. So, ganyan lang yan, hide, show, hide muna natin. And the brand naman is, ito yung mga background, color blue. Yan, what color? Ito default blue, medyo masyadong ma-blue. I choose minimal, and then logo, if you are upgrading to paid version, you can use your own logo. Pag hindi, pag free lang, yan, yung logo ng Streamyard. Overlay also, ganun. Sa live stream din yan. So, background is default black, or kung nag-upgrade ka, pwede kang gumawa ng sarili mong background. Private chat naman, you can private chat with your guests. Mag-usap kayo, nagko-communicate kayo, di ba, as you go along with your podcast, kung sino yung may guest ka, so yung coordination nyo. And then setting like the same dito sa side na to, yun, camera, audio, yes. Now, if nagawa mo na yan, you can go live. We are already prepared, so we will sample it to go live. So just click this at the top right portion and you will go live. So yun. So let us go live. Okay. Yun. We are live. So nag-start na yung live nyo sa YouTube or Facebook. So if you have to end the broadcast, end mo yan. So end the broadcast. So since ako lang naman yung nasa loob ng studio, so it's asking you for feedback. So, ganun lang. And I think yung free version may 4 hours per month. So, that's it. It's very, very easy. And I believe this is the best user-friendly, intuitive live streaming engines as a website lang. So hope that has helped you, and please subscribe to my channel for more tutorial, incoming tutorial. Thank you very much.